Meenakshi Amman Temple, also known as Meenakshi Sundareshwara Temple, is one of the oldest and most important temples in India. Located in the city of Madurai, the temple has a great mythological and historical significance. It is believed that Lord Shiva assumed the form of Sundareswarar and married Parvati at the site where the temple is currently located. Known for its astonishing architecture, Meenakshi Temple was nominated as one of the wonders of the world but could not make it into the list of 7 wonders of the world. However, the temple is definitely one of the wonders of India. It is also one of the main attractions of South India, with thousands of devotees thronging every day. During the Tirukalyanam Festival, which takes place over a period of 10 days, the temple attracts more than 1 million devotees. Despite many people visiting it every day, the temple is well maintained and was named as one of the swachh icons in India.